Hey guys, so I have to show you this new collection from As I Am. So my hair is really greasy right now and super clumped together, just really heavy. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So this is the rice water conditioner, the rice water spray, and rice water shampoo. So first, I'm just going to wet my hair and use the shampoo. So I'm just going to put that in my hair just to remove grease and oil and just lighten my hair up. Rice water is so good for your hair and it's so good for hair growth. And you guys know I love anything that has to do with hair growth or hair health. I love my hair so much. So now I'm just going to take the conditioner and same thing. This is so good for your hair. So I'm just going to use this at the ends because that's where I see a lot of damage since I use quite a bit of heat. The conditioner makes it so easy to comb your hair. As you can see, I'm using my fingers. And then after I rinse that out, I'm just going to take the rice water spray and spray that in my hair and tie it up so I can finish showering. So after I get out of the shower, I'm just going to blow dry my hair, starting at the ends and working my way up to the top just to dry my hair thoroughly. And this is my hair after I straightened it. As you can see, it looks so much lighter. It feels so much lighter. It feels good. And I just love the way it looks. So this was my tutorial on the collection. I love it so much. Bye, guys.